So my today's extempore is going to be on a short book which I completed yesterday. It was a 150 pages book, autobiography of Subhash Chandra Bose, which he wrote when he was in Britain in around 1930s. He was there for his education from the Cambridge University, and he has recently cleared the civil service examination and got a rank fourth all over India. But he had decided to resign it, and the story talks about how he came to such a position or at such a mindset to just resign from the civil services. The book doesn't talk about how his journey of how he went, how he was self-exiled from India, how he traveled to Afghanistan, worked in the Middle Asia, and then towards the Europe, in Germany, Russia, and Japan, meeting prisoners of war which were held by the Axis power, and then organizing them and forming a nationalist in Indian National Army (INA). The book talks about the journey of a man who from childhood was inclined towards spirituality. He used to visit Haridwar, he used to visit Benares with the extra pocket money he had. He had a group of friends in his college who used to be enthusiastic about Swami Vivekanand and other spiritual guru who wanted to, find a guru and become their disciple and just like find a purpose of their life. Subhash Chandra Bose was greatly inspired by Swami Vivekanand, and from him he found the purpose of his life. And he used to believe that the service to one's nation is the highest form of worship of the God, and to do a social service is a very great thing to do. And he actually did a lot of great things before he even entered the politics, before he became the leader of Congress Youth Party. He was working in many different remote villages as a nurse in assisting the cholera patient, and at that time in Odisha and Bengal, cholera was a very big a famine disease which was killing a lot of people, and it was quite contagious. So he was doing a very risky thing, and it talks how he once led a strike in his college against a teacher who was bullying or humiliating Indian students, which resulted in his rustication from his college. But how, on his father's advice, he went to England to study, and how thereafter clearing the civil services, he had the choice. He was for 7 months he had a constant fight in his mind on what to do with his life. Like, should he just become a IS officer and live a very good life, or should he just resign as per the freedom fighters in the country and who was saying at the time for a non-cooperation, for a disobedience. And in 7 months, he took the decision to resign, to not become an IS officer and work for a noble cause, which was to serve the nation. The book taught me a very important lesson, which was this idea of Swami Vivekanand, which Subhash Chandra Bose quoted, which was that the service of one's nation is the highest form of worship of gods. So that pushed Subhash Chandra Bose to become the type of person who is today, regarded with high respect. And I believe that's a very beautiful thought of school, and I would definitely try to follow it. Thank you.